Hi. So today we are going to see how to use business rules in basic customizations for Dynamics 365. For our example, I am going to use contact form. Click on advanced settings and you will be redirected to a new window. Click on settings, customization. Click on customize the system. So a new window will pop up. So over here you will see all the entities. Under the entities, we need to search for contact. Under the contact, now we'll go to forms. You can see we have multiple forms available. I'm going to utilize contact for interactive experience. As you can see, this is the layout of my form and I can see the business rules over here. There are plenty of business rules already available. I'm going to create a new one. So to create, click on new business rule and a new screen will pop up. Now we have an option to set a condition for our business rule to come into effect and what operations do we like to perform with that condition. So as you can see, we have multiple options like lock, unlock, set field value, set default value, set business required, set visibility, or show error message. So depending on your requirement, you can utilize either of these options. So for our example, I'm going to use set field value. So this arrow shows that if the condition is true, this action will happen. And if the condition is false, this action will happen. So you need to make sure that you set up all your elements appropriately. So I have already used set field value for my true condition. I'm going to use same element for my false condition. Now my condition over here I'm going to put as if my account status value is active, I'm going to set my field first name to be my first name to be Kirtan. If the account is not active, my first name would be Dave. So the example I am telling you right now has no valid business purpose. This is just for the demo purpose. So similarly, we can have another action attached to this condition or this business rule that I can set a field value, I can lock unlock a field. Similarly, I can use set business required. So set business required, new condition, new action, lock unlock, and set value field. So all these things you can execute simultaneously based on one condition. I hope this helps you in starting out the basic customization.